I have a word to teach you, and it's a word I really delight in saying, and it's Sgroppino. As wonderful as the word is in itself, what it conveys is so heavenly. Just 3 ingredients. First one being lemon sorbet. And the second ingredient, prosecco. Third ingredient is vodka. It's very easy to scale up, but I'll just make one for now. Mix everything together. I find a couple of forks the easiest way to do it. Just want this sorbet to start melting into the prosecco and vodka. It is a glorious celestial concoction that tastes like nothing else. You could call it an alcoholic slushy if you were insistent on being very unromantic about it. And a pour. Don't know about you, but I'm ready to make this a Sgroppino summer. And you can find the recipe exclusively on ocado.com/Nigella.